Good morning, children. Now we will see the lesson continuation, water lesson. Have you heard of transpiration? Transpiration. What is mean by transpiration? Yes, is the process of loss of water from aerial parts of plant vapor form. The vapor form of water circulate in the plant, that is called plant parts, that is called transpiration. Okay, what is meant by transpiration? The loss of water from the aerial parts, that is aerial parts means plant parts, okay, in a vapor form. The water transport to the plant part, the vapor state, that is called transpiration. Okay, there is a continuous cycling of water and it exits three forms in nature. Already you know what are the three stages of water? Yes, solid, liquid and gas. Okay, this cycling, water evaporating from lakes, rivers and oceans form the gaseous state. Okay, that is gas. Okay, rainwater forms the liquid state. Okay, the rain comes to the land, that is that stage is liquid stage. Okay, then snow on mountains, the ice cubes in Himalayas, there have many ice cubes, that is called solid. Okay, that is called solid. Polar ice caps forms the solid state. Okay, so water have three stages: gaseous stage, that is vapor stage, then next one liquid stage, and third one solid stage. Okay, these three states occur in nature, keep the total amount of water on the earth constant even when the whole world is using it. Yes or no? All world peoples are using water. Without water we can't live. Okay, how do you know atmosphere has water vapor? Wow, how do you know? Okay, let us do the following activity. You know the atmosphere has vapor, water vapor, condensation of water vapor. Take a glass of filled with water. You take one tumbler or glass. You filled water with half. Okay, then wipe the outer surface of the glass with a clean piece of cloth. Add some ice cubes into water. Wait for 2 or 3 minutes. Observe the changes take on the outer surface of the glass. Outer surface of the glass. Okay. From where do we water drops appear? The outer surface of the glass. Okay. You see outer surface of the glass. There have some droplets of water. Okay. Cold surface of glass containing ice water cools air around it. The water vapor of the air condenses the surface of the glass. This process is also known as condensation. Okay, what is meant by condensation of water vapor? Okay, next one. Listen. Natural sources of fresh water. Natural sources of fresh water. Where do we get fresh water? Okay, that sources are called natural sources. Three types of natural sources fresh water are available on the earth. Okay, first one surface water. This is surface water. Lake, river, pond. These are the places are having large amount of water. That is called surface water. Water present in the surface of the earth, such as river, lakes, ponds, streams. These are the places that have fresh water. This is called surface water. Then next one, frozen water. Frozen water means in Himalayas there have many water droplets that contain ice cubes. Okay, water is present in the frozen polar ice caps, that calories are called frozen water. A larger portion of water, that 68.7% of the total available fresh water is frozen state. Okay, frozen means ice cubes. Okay, that is solid state. Okay, then second one, third one, groundwater. Under the ground there have water. That water are called underground water. groundwater is the water present beneath earth surface in soil. Okay, this water is called underground water. Okay, you see this picture. You see this picture. Okay, this is groundwater. Okay, listen. Obtained through springs, wells, tube wells or hand pumps, etc. We are using the pumps and motors, tube wells. These are the things we use and pump out the water in the earth surface, under the earth surface. Okay, that is called groundwater. Okay, the next one, the Himalayas. The Himalayas contain ice caps, icebergs and calories. 10 of Asia's largest rivers flow from the Himalayas and more than a billion people's livelihoods depend on those rivers. The peoples are depend on their lives. Okay, that rivers. Okay, more to know, water is measured in the milliliter. Okay, liter or milliliter. Okay, that is the unit. Gallon is also measure the volume of liquid. Okay, then 1 gallon is equal to this is one mark 3.785 liter. Okay, you underline it and you remember it. Okay, 1 gallon is equal to 3.785 liter. Water level in the reservoirs is measured in TMC, 1000 million cube feet. TMC means then in you saw the news that news reader said DMC. DMC means 1000 million cubic feet. That is called DMC. Okay, water released from dams is measured in cubic feet per second. Cubic feet per second. Okay, next, aquatic animals. What is meant by aquatic animals is aquatic means water animals. Okay, water animals. In water there are many animals, dolphin, fishes, variety of fishes, tortoise, many more animals are live in water. The big animal also live in water. Listen, blue whale, that is blue whale. Okay, world largest animal, that blue whale lives water. Okay, though that is a aquatic water animal. Okay, during winter, water in lakes, ponds in the cold countries will be frozen and a solid layer of ice formed on the surface of water. Still, aquatic animals living under the ice do not die. Okay, this is because the floating layer of the acts as a protective coat and doesn't permit head to escape from water. So, as water at the surface alone turns to ice in the extensions of aquatic animals. Okay, polar bears. Usually the polar bears, the polar bears are lived ice. Okay, the stage of ice state. Next one, conservation of water. Conservation of water. Okay, there is no change of total quantity of water available on the earth. It remains the same, but the water useful for plants, animals and man is decreasing day to day. It is called scarcity of water. What are the reasons scarcity of water? Is the people's strength or increased, so the water availability also increased. Okay, the main reasons for water scarcity: population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of ground water table, pollution of water, careless use of water. These are the things the scarcity increased. Okay, we should take care of, prevent scarcity of water, otherwise it is not impossible. Okay, it is not it is possible for organisms to live on the earth. The only method of preventing scarcity of water is conversion of water, saving water for the future generation by using water carefully and in a limited way in conservation of water. You use water in a school, your home, wherever you go, you use water properly. Okay, don't open the tap, you close the tap. Okay, these are the things you do know, means the water are saved. The in your future generation, the water are useful for your generations. Okay, methods of water conservation. How to water conserved? Mainly two methods we followed. First one, water management. Water management consists of the following factors: bringing awareness about the bad effects of throwing waste into the water bodies. Okay, don't throw the waste bodies into drainage and river. Don't do like that. Okay, recycling of water by separating pollutants. The recycling, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. These two variations have the dustbin. You put the dust separately. Okay, that biodegradable, non-biodegradable, separating pollutants. Okay, then minimizing the use of chemicals in agriculture, reduce the underground water pollution underground. You use agriculture's many chemicals. Okay, you reduce the chemicals. Okay, then controlling deforestation. Don't cut the trees in your places, in nearby places. Okay, you grow trees in your places. Okay, then only the deforestation controlled. Okay. Adapting drip irrigation and irrigation in agriculture, by this leisure amount of water can be used as the irrigation. Okay, you use the drip irrigation. This is one suitable method for agriculture yields. Okay, you use the drip irrigation. Okay, the minimum amount of water used that plant and grow. Okay, that is called drip irrigation. You see drip in your near places. Okay, there farmers using drip irrigation. Okay, then what? Rainwater harvesting. How to rainwater harvesting? Direct collection and use of rain is called rainwater harvesting. There are two types of harvesting: collecting water from where falls. Okay, collecting water from the roof of the houses of buildings, roof of the harvesting. Okay, you collecting water in a rainy season and saving the water, then only you use it water. Okay, collecting flowing rainwater. Collecting rainwater by concerned ponds and bund. Okay, you make one artificial pond and you collect the water and save it water. Okay, Kuvum is an estuary. Estuaries are areas where water bodies meet the sea. It is a combination of fresh water from land meeting the salty water, sea water. Okay, estuaries are home to unique plants and animal species. This is Kuvum. You see Kuvum. Okay, there have many unwanted things that river. Okay, importance of water. What are the importance of water? In our body uses water. Our cell organs, tissues regulate the temperature and maintain other body function. Okay, on the average of human bodies requires per day 2 or 3 liters of water. Okay, water helps digestion of food and removal of toxins from the body. Okay, domestic. Apart from drinking, people use water for many other purposes. These includes cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing wooden stills, and keeping houses and common places clean, watering plants, etc. These are the uses we are using the water. Okay, domestic uses. Agriculture. Water is also essential for the healthy growth of farm crops and farm stock is used in manufacture of many products. Okay, industry depends on the water at all levels of production. It is used as a material solvent for generating electricity. Okay, estimate of water consumed by family on a day. You make this activity in your home. tomorrow you make this activity and send it to a class teacher. Okay, activity 6, estimation of water consumed by family on a day. In your family, brushing, how many amount of water using per day? Bathing, washing clothes, toilets, cooking, washing utensils, cleaning floor, and any other purpose. Total amount of water used by a family in a day. In your family, okay, don't write your family. Okay, your family, how many members have? 3 members or 4 members or 5 members have, means you write it. Brushing, how many waters using? Bathing, washing clothes, toilets, cooking, washing utensils, cleaning floor, any other purposes. Okay, you write it and calculate the and send it to your class teacher. Okay, listen. Swamps are wetlands that are frosted. They occur long large rivers on the source of large lakes. The water of a swamp may be fresh water, brackish water, of sea water. Swamps are important for providing fresh water and oxygen to all life. Okay, Pichavaram mangroves in Chidambaram, Muthupet mangrove wetland, Pallikaranai wetland in Chennai, Chembrambakam in Kanchipuram are a few examples of swamps in Tamil Nadu. Okay, that is in Tamil Anai. Okay, so that, okay, then water distribution and treatment system. We know that water is distributed by local bodies. In some areas which water is obtained from river, lake and groundwater is treated and distributed. Model of water distribution and treatment plants is in the figure. Okay, you see these lessons over. Already your class teacher sent PDF to this lesson fully, so you want to read 5 mark questions, read and write. First 2 5 mark questions only you want to read and write it. Write and send it to your class teacher and do this activity in your home, and tomorrow you send it to this activity homework. Okay, thank you children, thank you very much.